We have a 2013 Honda Ridgeline here in the garage. I'm going to show you how to change the battery.
So we've got these plastic caps here. We're going to lift these up, move the harness over, and it's all 10 millimeter. So a 10 millimeter deep setup is going to get you where you need to be on this, and that's going to be what we need for our terminals here, 10 millimeter. So we're going to use our little quarter drive ratchet, and we're going to get our battery terminal tool to clean this up.
So this battery, there's a sticker on it right there, the pink one, and this battery is from 2018, so it's 6 years old. It hasn't given the customer trouble yet, but it more likely will since it's 6 years old. You typically want to replace your batteries once they hit 5 years old, because they'll leave you stranded somewhere.
So we're going to use the gun to take these off, but I'm not sure if this socket's going to be deep enough for this one. I'm hoping it is. I'll try this one. I just want to crack them loose first, and I can use the gun to back off the screw a lot.
It's a long screw.
It is, but we're not taking it all the way on, because it's got a little hook that it locks into.
Yep.
So we won't have to take it all the way off. Now we'll get over to the second one, and yeah, it reaches good. And we crack it loose by hand first. These are small threaded rods. I don't want to break one and then have to try and manufacture something. So back this one off a little bit. And these things usually have J hooks down on the bottom where you can just push it down and twist it to one side. Let's see what we got here. Okay, that one just came up. Good J hooks.
Yep. And that's what the J hooks look like. They're just like a J.
Yeah. And you see the hook down here, it goes down and then it hooks up through this hole right here. And that's what they hook on.
Yep.
So, and then on the back side, if you put the light back here,
yep,
there's going to be another one down on the side over here. We'll get a better view when we take the battery out. So we got our 10 millimeter again. And we're going to crack this one loose. We're going to lose battery power, so you're going to have to reset your radio and stuff. Your transmission will go through a relearn. Okay, so we crack these two loose. We should be able to just twist these off now. And, you know, we're going to clean these up with the battery terminal tool that you can buy, you know, at the parts store.
I'll throw a link to one of these in the description of the video. You can grab one off Amazon.
But, you know, you want your terminal nice and clean in there like that now.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll tuck that one over there.
That way that'll make good contact.
Yep. And then we'll take this one off now that we loosen the bolt on it. And we can lift this one up and we can clean this one as well.
And if you notice, Steve took the negative battery cable off first. Take the negative one off first, then the positive.
Yeah, I always seem to do it that way. So we're cleaning this one up as well. This one's nice and clean now. Okay. So now we can lift the battery out, and there's no grab handles on this one, which kind of stinks. So
there we go.
Oh, and my fingers. Okay. So we're just gonna get all the debris out of here.
And with the new.
So we got the new one going down. Okay, dropped into place. And pop these caps off. Now, even though this is a new battery, we're still gonna wanna just clean these terminals up. Just give them a quick.
And that way there, you'll make good contact with your cable.
Yeah. This one's on pretty good. I'm gonna get a little screwdriver and pry that one. There it is. Get this little screwdriver from our Cornwall dealer, Corey. Great guy. This thing, I use it all the time. It's like amazing. It's funny how just this little bend helps you in so many little ways. It's one of those things. Once you get it, you're saying, how'd I live without it? So,
Steve, if you ever lose that, I'll put your pocket screwdriver in a vise for you, and I'll fucking bend it for you.
I know.
What are buddies for?
All right, so we're gonna slide these down, and let's see if we can get our hooks in here. All right, I got one in. Now this one is a little tricky. I need some more light down in this hole here.
Yeah, were you looking right there?
Yeah, right there. Let's
Okay.
see. There it is.
There you go.
You know what? Let's go in this way.
There you go.
I gotta hold it. Okay. Now it's locked in where I'm comfortable with it.
Okay.
Yeah. How about
Right.
the other one? Yeah, that one's locked in good too.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So this one is right there.
Yeah, so let's snug this one up a little more.
That's how the front one goes.
Yeah. That's the back one. Locked in tight. Can't move the battery. Good with that. You got that battery positive cable over here.
Yep.
We'll slip on first.
We'll hook up the positive first.
And then I've got that regular 10 millimeter. Trying to keep the cable down, make sure it's tight. This little long extension is kind of, I mean, the deep socket's a little tight, but it's working good. All right, we're gonna get this nice and snug. Okay, can't move the cable, that's what I want. Okay, we'll throw the cover back down on it. Let's hook the ground up.
Yep.
Push down on it so it's all the way down. And the same thing, we're gonna tighten up with this. So, see on this battery, they put the date 12 or 25.
Yeah, you can see it right there.
If you get a battery and you got to put one of those a little square round circle, you got to check out for the date and stuff. Just take a permanent mark and write on it, just so you know. 1225, so we know now when this battery was put in. Make sure the battery's secured, and just slip our clips back on for the wiring harnesses.
Truck up, it runs good.
Yep, lines right up.
All right, that should be it.